Hello coders. In this video I am going to explain you view and copy. View. Changes made to the view will affect the original array. Copy. Any changes made to the copy will not affect the original array. View. View is just a view of the original array. Copy. Copy is a new array. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. So now please concentrate. Let I import first NumPy as NP. So let I create 1D array using np.array 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now let I first explain you the view. So what you mean by view? The view does not own the data and any changes made to the view will affect the original array. So let I create the view of X. View. Now let I change the index 1 of Y. Now let me print X and Y. Now the view does not own the data and any changes made to the view will affect the original array. Now here you can see we change the view Y to 999, which is also reflected in X as well. Now the check if any array owns its data or not, that I covered very clearly in the last video. So now let I show you this. Print X dot base. Now none, because X owns its own data. That's why none. Now here, what about the Y? Y dot base. So Y does not own its own data, but because of this view, it is contains the data of X. So here you can see it is printed the data of X. So now in the view, view does not own the data. Any changes made to the view will reflect the original array that you can see over here. And view is just a view of the original array. Copy. Now copy owns the data. Any changes made to the copy will not affect the original array. So now let I show you this practically with 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now let me create the copy of X. So now copy owns the data and any changes made to the copy will not affect the original array. So let I change the index 1 to 888. Now you can see the content of X and content of Y. So copy owns the data. Any changes made to the copy will not affect the original array. Copy is a new array. So now let me check it with the base attribute. So here X owns its own data. So none. So output is none. Now what about the Y? Here because of this copy, Y is also owns its own data. So that's why Y dot base is none. Now I hope all of you clear about what you mean by view and the copy. Now let I take the another example, slicing. So slicing also creates the view. So let I take this example. Let I create an array, right? 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now let I use the slicing. All the elements of X to the Y. Now let I change the first to 999. Now you can see the content of X and Y. So slicing also creates the view. So the view does not own the data and any changes made to the view will reflect the original array that you can see over here. So view is just a view of original array. So let I check with this. So now X is none because X owns its own data. What about the Y? Y dot base. It is printed the content of X because view does not own the data and slicing creates the view and any changes made to the view will affect the original array. Thank you. Thank you for watching.